say good morning. It's already 1. Okay, so now we're going to do trigonometric substitution. I have compiled these notes for you guys, so this is what you need to know. So whenever you've got a square root which is in this format, a is going to be some constant. You need to use the following substitution, and then you use the following identity. Whenever you've got the square root in this format, is this substitution in this addition, and so on and so on. So now let us do this with an example. Let's say we are given 1 over x squared plus 4 dx. We want to integrate that. So in order for us to integrate this, we are going to say square root of x squared plus 4 can be written as x squared plus 2 squared. Now in this case, this takes this form, where in our a in this case is true. It means that we have to use the substitution u equals to a times tan x. So let us do the substitution. So we let x to be equal to 2 tan x, tan theta I mean. So now we find dx is given by 2 sec squared theta d theta. Now let us substitute everything back to the formula. We said our x is equals to 2 tan theta all squared. Then x again is equal to 2 tan theta squared plus 4. No wonder people are afraid of maths. There are a lot of x's. I know many people are not in good terms with their x's, so that's why people are afraid of maths. So dx is 2 sec squared theta d theta. So let me just simplify this further. So this is going to be 4 tan squared theta. I'll simplify what is inside the square root. 4 tan squared theta plus 4 2 sec squared theta d theta. Let's continue with this. Now we're going to take out the common factor inside the square root. 4 tan squared theta. Now this is 4 into 10 squared theta plus 1 2 sec squared theta d theta. So this is going to be 1 4 tan squared theta, and we know that our square root of 4 is just 2. Then we have tan squared theta plus 1. We know from this identity, from the following identity, is equal to sec squared theta. So just this is still inside the square root 2 sec squared theta d theta. So this is going to be 1 over 4 tan squared theta 2 sec theta 2 sec squared theta d theta. So this is 1 over 2 and 2 will cancel each other. Let me just get mark out the different color. 2 and 2 cancel each other. So we'll have sec squared theta, this sec theta, and then 1 over 4 divided by tan squared theta d theta. Then let's just simplify this. Sec theta is the same as 1 over cos theta. Now this is the same as sine square theta over cos square theta d theta. 1 over 4, 1 over cos theta times cos squared theta divided by sine squared theta d theta. Let's just simplify this further. So this is 1 over 4 cos theta over sine squared theta d theta. So this is equal to 1 over 4 to cos theta sine theta to the power 2 d theta. After that, we can use the substitution. Let u equals to sine theta. So this means that our du equals to cos theta d theta. So that's 1 over 4 1 over u squared by u. So 1 over 4 e to the power negative 2 u. Let's integrate that. 1 over 4 u to the power negative 2 plus 1 negative 2 plus 1 and plus c. So this is going to be negative 1 over 4 times 1 over u plus c. This is where the negative is coming from. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. And then that's u to the power negative 1. U to the power negative 1 can be written as 1 over u. So that's negative 1 over 4. And remember our u was sine theta. So this is sine theta plus c. Let's quickly. So if you remember initially we said we let x equal to 2 tan theta. So to divide by 2. We want to express our answer in terms of x. So tan theta equals to x over 2, and we know that tan theta is the same as opposite over adjacent from high school. Draw a right angle triangle, put theta there. I don't know about your hypotenuse. Your hypotenuse is simply the following. That's your hypotenuse, or you can just calculate it using the theorem of Pythagoras, but anyway, you get the same thing. So now let's check. Minus 1 over 4. What is 1 over sine theta? That's cosec. It's cosec theta. Cosec theta plus c. And we know that negative 1 over 4. What is cosec? Cosec is the same as hypotenuse over adjacent, which is x squared plus 4. Hypotenuse over opposite, over x plus c. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment if you have any questions below.